We've got the Sony 1550 camera here, which is a triac-based camera generally used for live on board with a truck or in a studio configuration, and we want to go wireless with this. Broadcast wireless high definition pictures from the camera to the truck or any other receive site. So we first need to modify the camera a little bit to be able to carry the batteries and everything. Where it normally gets its power from the triax input here, we're going to have to put batteries and a portable transmitter on it. So BMS has devised a mount for it. This is made out of carbon fiber, which makes it lightweight and yet very strong. Uses the Anton Bauer battery mounts, can also be using the V mount, the standard Sony mount. With the adapters, we go for Anton Bauer in this particular instance here. The camera is equipped with a shoe on the top of it for a viewfinder operation, for studio viewfinder. The mount has a mating connector and it'll fit right in the shoe. That's how we're mounted on top there. DC goes into the external DC power jack. The short video cable on the SDI output. We kind of coil this up to get it out of the way here. Push this in and lock it up. Now the installation is almost complete. This is a transmitter made by Broadcast Microwave Services. This is a 2.4 gigahertz license-free transmitter. It is digital and in high def. We also make a 5.8 gigahertz license-free model of this transmitter. And we have an additional model that allows you all the freedom of having the triax and still being able to go wirelessly. That uses a UHF return link, which then brings back the camera control signals to the camera, and we have a wayside data channel that's in the microwave path going back to the studio, as where the telemetry from the camera would be. So this just snaps in as easily as a battery, and all we have to do then is hook up the HD SDI video. Last thing we need, put the battery up on top here. Reason this is for balance. We're putting some of the weight further forward. The camera's not that heavy, although realistically this battery and the not very heavy. We turn on the camera. The power is transferred through this unit back into the transmitter, so we don't have to put in additional wire. On the back side of it is the control panel, and here's where we would select the frequency, the frame rate, the output power, and some of the modulation that would work. So now we're ready to go wireless in high definition. If you direct your attention over to the monitor, right over here, you'll see so Eduardo is photographing me, and I'm photographing Eduardo in high definition, wireless, and I'm free to roam about any attachment whatsoever. And with the camera control option, that allows someone in the truck to read the camera. And that's the latest from the floor of the NAB 2011 from Broadcast Microwave Services, our digital COFDM high definition product.